And I wanted to do another follow-up to these series of toys that I found at the DAISO or 100 yen store in Japan. This is all part of a special Hello Kitty series of toys that you can get, and each part is only 105 yen, so it's a pretty cool sort of thing you can get your hands on, and you can get this set kind of going that I've been showing you guys the parts to. I didn't see this one here at some of the other locations, so I was pretty surprised to find it. This is Charmy Kitty, which is Hello Kitty's little kitten, and she's pretty adorable. She doesn't have any clothes, of course, to wear or anything, but just as an extra toy to kind of have. She's pretty cute. She's a little bit smaller than Hello Kitty, of course, but still kind of freakishly large for a cat, I think. I mean, if you had a pet that stood up to your shoulders, that would kind of scare me. But she's cute as usual, as to be expected. She does have her little jewel there that's kind of printed on, and pretty cute little extra if you want to have that with the setup of everything. And then I also got the Macaron Set here for the cafe, and this includes a little plate, a little drink with a straw in it, and three actual macarons that you can use. So I got a double set of this because I wanted to be able to have 2 people come visit my restaurant at a time. Let's see if I can pop this open. Okay, I opened both of them. So first of all, you have this cute little sort of off-center little plate that looks like a ribbon, and then you can also put in this cute little yellow macaroon with a little bit of white cream in there, a little ribbon, and also a pink macaroon with a pink ribbon and white cream. And then there's also this little tiny yellow heart-shaped macaroon too, with a little bit of white cream on the edge. And that kind of completes the set of the macaroons there that you can have. And then there's also a cute little cup that has Hello Kitty on the outside, and a plus, which always is available when you have these miniature toys. It's always great when something comes out and isn't stuck into it permanently. So this, I thought, was a cute little bonus, that this little straw can be removed. So that's kind of cool. And it looks like the outside part of this is just a sticker, so it's a little bubbly in some places, but overall pretty cool. So kind of a cute little set of stuff that you can add to the setup here for the cafe and stuff. And I'll show you guys here next time too some of the additions to this, but that's just sort of kind of the new little thing that I found today. I'll leave Kitty to the side here so you can see it. We've got Charmy Kitty and then these cute little sets of macaroons too. So if you guys have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave them on the comment section below, and I'll be bringing you guys some more updates. There's just a couple more pieces left in this series that I've found, and those are the little play areas, so I'll try to show you guys those next time. So